Here's our basic circuit. I have it connected, and then if I connect the battery, in our basic circuit, we should have a clicking sound and an LED that flashes at the rate that you hear on the speaker. I'm going to experiment with this variable. This is the capacitor, and I'm going to remove it for a moment, and I'm going to instead attach a wire to one side, which will be attached to a piece of aluminum foil, and this aluminum foil will be attached to another aluminum foil, but with a paper in between. So I'm going to attach this side to this side of the paper. And I'm going to put one on top of the other. When I put pressure on, you can see that there's a difference in frequency clearly. So one possible application of that is to have a couple of layers of this material, different layers of paper and aluminum foil, and then use test weights. Here's about a third filled water bottle. You can note the frequency. Here's one that's about half filled, a little lower frequency. And then here's one that's full, much lower even so. So depending upon the variables you choose, you can either make the LED flash at a lower rate, you could actually count the rates, or you can use tone to determine how much weight something has. Similarly, if you replace this system with the same kind of idea but rolled onto a tube, here we have a dowel and paper rolled around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach one foil to one side, and one foil to the other side. I get a little lower tone because I've got a little more paper. And now if I squeeze it, you can see me squeeze it. I can change the tone, and that gives some idea of a transducer that would convert squeezing pressure into a different tone. It could maybe have some application for speed control or some other idea.